Okay, now I'm gonna be showing how to download Taste of Villagers. First, download Craft add-ons from Google Play. While it's downloaded, get uh, 20 gems by one of the ads to you because you might need 20 gems for that. Search 8-phase video users. Okay, so this is me, okay, this is me, nothing different. Okay, so let it load, I guess. If okay, sorry for that. Let us talk for a second. This is my page in Craft add-ons. My page has 35 likes, 9 following, 8 followers. Okay, Taste of Villagers. Okay, just click on it. Then click download. Not these 40 gems, it will be 20. Okay, well, you click that, it shows up what to open. You open Minecraft, then you have it. Goodbye.